Guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can get unlimited everything on Episode. So listen, I'm going to be honest with you guys for a quick second. I've become addicted to Episode. It's really fun. I'm not really entirely embarrassed to say it because it is a really fun game. If you guys have played Episode at all, you will understand how annoying it is to run out of resources, guys. But let me put you onto something. So I went around searching because I didn't want to pay for all of this kind of stuff, and I found Episode Plus Plus. You guys can get literally, you name it, it's free on Episode Plus Plus. It's the developer version of Episode Plus Plus, or of Episode. So it's got all of the stories, it's got all of the items, it's got all of the characters, it's got all of the everything. You can even make edits to the story. It's crazy cool. But I'm sure you guys are asking, how do you get it? How does it work? Show me. I got you. Let's get into it. Guys, so as you can see right here, I have the Episode Plus Plus app downloaded on my iPhone XR, but this does work on all versions of the iPhone, works on Android, and everything in between, so there's no worry about that, guys. But, as you can see my gems right there, 2,000 gems, that's a pretty good amount of gems, no worries, guys, but it's because I used this little trick. There's a little plus button right there next to those gems. I'm just gonna go ahead and tap it right now. Ready? Watch that. Boom! 675. We'll do it again. Look at that. Now I have 3,350 gems, guys. I just got $100 worth of gems completely for free on Episode. And I mean, you guys can do this too. You can do it with coins, you can do it with tickets, you can do it with gems, you can do it with everything in the entire game is free and as much as you guys want. Super easy. Let me show you how to actually get it though, because I'm sure that that's what you guys are the most curious about. It's not just something you can find on the App Store, sadly, because Episode would probably get mad for putting the developer version on the App Store. But the two apps you're gonna need are the internet, really any way to access the internet, and just dig around in your settings a little bit to make sure that it all looks good and ready to download the app. The first thing that you're going to want to do, guys, is you're going to go to battery or power or settings or whatever you need to go to find your low power mode, battery saver, whatever mode it is. On the iPhone, it's low power mode. Guys, you know what I'm talking about. If your phone has a mode that it runs in to conserve battery, turn that mode off. You want to turn that mode off because essentially what it's going to do is slow down your phone. A lot of people think that it just makes their battery work better, but in actuality, it makes your phone slower in order to conserve battery. But that is not what we want for the remainder of this download because it just does not, it's just not good. Your phone won't run fast enough to download this, so make sure it's turned off. Secondly, guys, we're going to want to go to the general section and go to background app refresh. We should see all of these little check marks and switches turned on, and our background app refresh should also be turned on. Now, guys, if it's turned off and you switched all these on and it still says the word off next to background app refresh, go here and select any option that is not the off option. You can select Wi-Fi and cellular data, GPS, just cellular data, just Wi-Fi, whatever you want. It all works the same. Just make sure you don't select the off option, because if you select the off option, I know this is probably a big surprise to you guys, but that turns it off. And if it's turned off, it doesn't work, guys. That's not what we want to hear. So now let's go to the magical website, is what I call it at least. It is called wetweak.co. WETWEAK.co is the name of this website, guys, and it's essentially like a hacked version of the App Store, to put it super simply. So let's go ahead and scroll down to the E's and all of this kind of stuff, and that, oh, I actually went right past it. I saw it there for a second. There it is, Episode Plus Plus. We're just gonna go ahead and hit that install button. Now, the word install is a little bit facetious because this is actually a download, but it is also an install of sort, but the actual installation process will be done in our settings app, as what this is doing is downloading something called a configuration profile. Essentially, it's Apple's word for like a hacked app, a hacked application of sort, and this is, shouldn't take more than like 60 seconds, but essentially we just have to approve this and then go into our settings and configure it properly, which we should be getting the little notification asking our permission right now. Boom. So we're going to go ahead and hit allow on that, guys, and we should see that our profile is now downloaded, which is exactly what we want. So now we're going to head back into our settings app one last time. There it is, guys. And what we're going to do is go down to the section in our general that says VPN and device management. Now, if you're on an Android, guys, it should already be downloaded and good to go, but Episode Plus Plus is right here. So we're going to go ahead and click that and hit this install button in the top right. then type in your phone's unlock password, guys. Just the normal password you use to unlock your phone when it is locked or turned off. And it's using no special permissions, which is great. And of course, there's no profile signed, which means that they aren't going to take any information or anything like that, guys. It's just free stuff for free, you know? So just go ahead and hit this install button one more time and hit it down there, guys. And I know what you guys are all thinking, but did it work? And it did. Episode Plus is now downloaded and ready to go on my iPhone, and it'll be ready to go on your guys' if you follow the instructions on your Android too. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully you guys enjoy.